I'm the Crocus farmer, Rastafari soldier. Yeah, red, green, and golden. Yeah, I'm bolder. Keep on farming everywhere you go every day. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, I have a sweet sap tree in the back of right here. I'm the one that planted in the pot. Didn't get a chance to transplant all of it, but I still could dig it out because it has certain root structure and it's bearing already. Inside of the building. Have you ever seen a sweet sap tree in a building? That should be the name of this vlog. Have you ever seen a sweet apple tree? This is a sweet apple tree. In Jamaica, they call it sweet sap. And believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, I planted this by seed. And look at this. It exploded out the pot. Hopefully I get the chance and the strength to take it out. I have another one over there in the back right there growing. If you can see it behind the grass. And, you know, I plant everywhere, even in buildings. I plant, and believe it or not, indoor farming is on the rise. So remember, it's the Crocus farmer, Rastafari soldier. Remember, this is a sweet apple tree. Yes, in Jamaica, we call it sweet sap. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a sweet apple, sweet sap tree. And I planted this by seed, and it stayed here until it grew. Sometimes, you know, the work gets a hold of me. As you see, I'm inside of the factory. I have my steel battery, my blocks, board, all kind of thing. My pickaxe right there. We just did this part right here. Beautiful work by Mr. Nelson. And also we just did this part again. Another beautiful job by Mr. Nelson, ladies and gentlemen. So we're working, doing all kind of things at the same time. Look at my beautiful, beautiful pear tree, ladies and gentlemen. You know, and it's great to know that it survived. I have a few pear seeds. This is a young pear tree. We call it avocado, right? But I'm going to show you the seeds because some people never seen the seed of an avocado. Here are the seeds, and I'm going to throw them in a pot, and hopefully some of them grow when I come back. You know, that's the process you have to take, ladies and gentlemen. You just have to, you know, plant, put a seed in the ground, hope, wish, and pray, and the magic do happens for you. So everybody's not a huge farmer, not a, you know, great planter, not a green thumb, but just plant, even until the morning. Whenever you get a seed, just scratch the soil, plant it. Even if you're not from there, plant, and somebody will full joy the plant. Yes, because farmers are lifesavers. So remember, it's Rastafari soldier, yeah, red, green, and gold, the Crocus farmer, saying blessings, live good, eat healthy, eat your food as your medicine, or your medicine be your food. More life, more joy, more happiness. Yeah, bless. Real is real. The Crocus farmer said that.